Hey guys, you know me, it's day one. We're just getting ready to get off, just over with the wife, getting our bags packed. So just a little bit of information about what it is we're trying to do. So we're off around Europe. We're gonna go with the flow. Nothing's booked. So I'm sure there'll be plenty of arguments, as you can imagine. We will be heading south, jumping on the ferry. We'll be going to Dunkirk and Omaha to start with. And then we'll just go with the flow. We want to see some of the sights and some of the beautiful parts of Europe. Feel free to send over your recommendations of where you think we should go. But we're going to sort of head up to The Hague, Amsterdam, down through Germany to Prague. I went to Prague on a stag do years ago. It was a beautiful place, and always said I wanted to take Helen there. So we're off to there. Then we want to go through Austria, because Austria's supposed to be beautiful as well. So through the Alps there, down to, I think we might go Mont Blanc. I've been there before, that was beautiful. And then down to Venice on the gondolas. And then we will be going then down to Rome and Naples. The goal or the idea of this little trip, there's a number of reasons really. It started off as it was going to be our summer holiday. And then of course, because it's so far, we need to work along the way. Still got to service my existing students on their coffee mornings every day. Just to make sure that they continue to do well. And then we sort of set ourselves a task of, let's make a little bit of a vlog out of it, and we'll do a bit of work along the way. But also for personal reasons, really. My wife and I have been together 27 years, and like all marriages, you hit bumps, they go up and down, and I am not the easiest person to get along with. And she's gone through the change, which for those of you that know what that's all about, that ain't no joke. But we are working through it. We're going to go on holiday together. We're going to have a bit of fun. We're currently estranged. I'm living in one of our other houses, which is opposite. I'll take you over there in a minute. But we are both trying, and we're not prepared to give up on this. So 27 years is a long time, and it's going to be fun. It'll either make us or break us, but we're pretty solid, and we've overcome many things. So I'm looking forward to the challenge. So this is the plan. Credit card, everything will be documented on there. The plan is we'll document all the trips, the miles. If you're interested in cars, I'll be doing a bit of thing on the car as well, what we're getting per gallon. There's going to be a lot of time in the car. So Helen is co-pilot, and she will help me. Together we'll decide where we're going. What I mean is she'll decide where we're going. She probably heard that upstairs. Yeah, and we'll just see where we go with the flow, and have a bit of fun along the way. Document our journey in every sense of the word. Leaving the kids behind and my doggies, which will be the hardest part. They're in a mood. They know we're going because we're packing bags. They go in moods every time we pack bags because they know what's coming. We'll be leaving the houses trusted to my daughter, Georgia, and my son, Lewis. That'll be interesting. But yeah, it's going to be fun. Let me take you out and show you the car. So for those of you that know me, know I'm a bit of a car motorhead, if you like. I'm into my cars. I've had all sorts over the years. I always end up, hello mate, what are you doing here? What can I do for you? We've got lots of wildlife here. We've got seagulls, that's Peter, the pigeon. His bird's around somewhere, not sure where. I'm not sure where Stephen is actually, he's normally here this time of day. Sits up there. moans, calls his bird. I don't know what's going on with you, mate. Anyway, as I was saying, so for those of you that know me, I'm into my Porsches. I've had all the others. I've had Ferraris and Bentleys. I've never had Lambos. I've never really appealed to me. I've had 996s, 997s, 991s, and now I've got myself a 992. Also 993 Targa, which she was an old girl, beautiful car, flying up in value, but not good for someone with ADHD and a bad temper like me. So she had to go. What's wrong with you? Don't give me this now. I've got to go soon. I don't be looking after you. You want to move, mate? Because thank God for that. Cooper comes out, I've had you. Yeah, so this is a 992 Targa 4 GTS. It's an all-rounder, does the job, everything you could want it to do. Sort of semi-hard top, 2 seats in the back for the grandkids, even though I've got 8, there's only 2. And I've got a major challenge on my hands because I've got to try and get all of this in that. So just while we've been working through our differences, shall we say, I've been living in our other house we've got here. Fortunate enough to have a property where I can disappear to. The dogs are not running around up there, look. People walking past, how dare they? Right, let's give you a show around. Papa man pad, look at me baby there. So this is my pad for the moment. Happy days. Love it in here. Great views. Cricketers over there. Happy days. We built this about 8 years ago when we moved to Spain. The idea was when we came back we'd stay here. That's what we did for a bit. There's that then. It's our Mick. Right, so that's enough for this in here. I need to get the stuff together because we were about, I think I'm an hour over. So, see you in the car. Right then, argument number 2 coming up. I've got to get all of that. There's more. Yep. Good luck. All of that in that. The F1, what can you make it work?
next stop's at 5 o'clock. We're going to get there at 5:21. Richard thinks we're still going to be let on though.
What are you panicking for? It'll be fine. We'll see.
Let's see. Still confident. So it seems Richard was right, we've made it.
What can I say? Never a doubt. Never a doubt. What lane?
Two, two, one. Not really. It's 2, 2, 3.
My ritual every night this week will be ta-da! Set up. Right. First things first. Headphones for tomorrow morning. That's your charger. I don't need that. Over there. Charger for the headphones. Charge. Right. Got a little surprise. Recording device. My lucky calculator. Pads and pens.
We're only here for one night.
I know. So I thought, as it's a trading holiday, bought myself some new plates, which I think I should put on the car tomorrow. What do you think? What's wrong with you?
Oh, you're asking me?
Yeah.
I think we should have probably done that before we left.
It's a surprise, FX.
Have you got sticky stuff then to put it on with?
We can overcome these challenges. What do you think? What do you think, viewers? I think, in light of the journey ahead, etc., etc. There we go. Anyway, ruler, we've got my laptop, your laptop, said portable screens, and of course, don't leave home without it, the Simple Effects lanyard. When he's got this on, we are working. Ta-da! Right, time to work. Time to shine.